Okay, people, we're going to remove 3 stains on the carpet where the dog had the runs last night. We have stain 1. I know this is a urine stain. We're going to work on 2. Not now. Stain 2. And this was the enormous one, stain 3. So I'm going to show you how to remove this stuff. I went in here at 3 in the morning and removed the poofus while the person was sleeping, but I could not clean the carpet up. So let's try to clean these 3 stains. Normally what you want to do is you want to remove the item. Yeah, I'm going to call the poofus an item. I like to use a popsicle stick or a plastic spoon. But this was done hours ago. This was left hours ago. So the first choice, Folex. Folex can be good. I've done videos using Folex, but Folex can also set a stain. So, alright, got my hand on the poof right now. It's had a chance to dry a little bit. So what I'm trying to do right now is agitate the carpet to break up the dried poofus. Nothing's really coming off. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take this bottle of 6% hydrogen peroxide. Okay, this is going to be right over there, right at the front. I know the camera's kind of sideways right now, but we'll come back to that in a minute. Same situation over here. This is kind of caked a little bit, so you can't really break it off. Some people might say freeze it, but no. Gonna take the 6% hydrogen peroxide. This is great for urine stains, poofus stains. Let it kind of disintegrate right before your eyes. But let's go back over here really quick. That's where the stain was a minute ago. All right, let's go to the third one. That's the third one. That's the third one. I'd like to clean this urine stain at the same time, but I'm not going to. So I'm kind of rushed for time. Why not? Might not remove it all, but I have to go buy another gallon bottle of this spray because I'm going through a lot of it. Now you can see already we've got it looks like we're bleaching the carpet, but we're not. What you're seeing before your eyes is most of this pee stain is just disappearing. This big pee stain over here, most of this is going away before your very eyes. But we're going to come back to that in a minute. Let's soak it a little bit more. Now, you could put this on and leave it. You could put this on and leave it for a couple hours, and everything will just disappear. You can come back the next day, let it soak for 24 hours, 12 hours, whatever you want to do. If it doesn't remove it all, go back and spray it again. Blot it. You don't want to rub. Shop vac would be good. You want to blot, though. You blot the thing so you kind of soak the stain up into the cloth and paper towel. If it doesn't work, get a 10%, take some household ammonia, 10%. So take the ammonia, put it in a bottle, 10% ammonia, 90% water. You can see most of this urine stain is already disappearing before your eyes. But let's go back to the other ones. All right, so we're coming back. That's where the stain was. I know we got really bad lighting over here. Lighting's terrible in this place. Sorry, not much I can do about the lighting. So we had poo stain over there a few minutes ago. There it is. I'm saving you thousands of dollars in carpet replacement, carpet repair, carpet cleaning. Come on, go to my channel and click on the PayPal link, give me a $9 million donation. Do something. Somebody's got to help out. 5 minutes ago we had a poo stain there. Where is it? It's gone because of me telling you how to remove the poo. The poo is gone. No more poo. Barahoo! All right. No, there's no poo in there. And if we come back tomorrow and there's a little bit more poo in the carpet, remove it. That's how you do it. Okay. You kind of have a little bit of the poo stain right in there. Didn't expect I was going to need all these paper towels. Going through rolls of paper towels making my videos. So I could blot this, but I already know that the stain has already been lifted. It's already been dissolved. It's been broken down by the 6% hydrogen peroxide. Where is that poof stain? Where is the poo? It is gone. There is no more poo for us to look at. Yeah, I'm going to have to get more paper towels, so hold on. Okay, this is not so good. Not so good, no. Let's work on the urine stain first. We'll do some blotting. And again, you don't even have to do this. You can just leave it alone. The hydrogen peroxide will break down the components of the urine as it dries. You don't want to oversaturate, but with this, it's okay, the place smells of poo. I am the doctor of poofus. So this might have stained the carpet. Oh my God. This is not good. So what I would like to do, I'm going to come back in a minute. Here we go. Let's try to get the camera over there. That's the poo stain. It's still there. You can see most of the urine is gone. I've got a bottle. I just filled it up about maybe a ½ an inch with clear ammonia. Now the idea behind ammonia is the 6% hydrogen peroxide should remove all this stuff to activate and make the peroxide more effective. I'm going to try to get the bottle on a spray and not a stream. So let's try to do this right now. And both of these should leave no residue, no damage to the carpet. You might want to check it in a safe spot. But both of these are chemical. Ooh, that's a stinky chemical. That's very strong. They have non-scented ammonia. I don't know if that's if it still burns your lungs, but you just can't smell it killing you. So the ammonia will make the peroxide work much faster and better. Now really what I should do is I should leave this alone for about 5 or 10 minutes, let it soak, they call it dwelling in your dwell. Let it soak, let it break everything down. I'm looking at it right now and I could say, are my eyes tricking me, or is this stain absolutely disappearing before my eyes? It is disappearing. I see the brown. Again, I wish I had better lighting, but I don't. You can still see over here, we've got that poofus, and there is no doubt the poofus is there. Let's go here with a little cloth and try to mop up some of this stain. Maybe get a brush to agitate it, get it in the carpet, break it down a little bit. And do I have a brush in here? I don't know. Yes, they did not remove the brush after my last cleanup. So I can still see the stain. And this is what the machines do. It's called agitating. It moves the fibers around, gets the chemical to go in there better, allows you to break off some of the residue and the poofus that's stuck to the fiber. Now, this is 30-year-old carpet, so I'm not really too worried about it. Now, you're looking over here and saying, oh my God, he just bleached the carpet, he just ruined it. No, ladies, this is called wetness. This is wetness. This is moisture, wetness, moisture. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about now, because that stain is all but gone. Let me show you what moisture is all about, women. Let me show you what moisture is all about, ladies. There we go. I'm gonna mop this with a paper towel. Get all the moisture out. Now you do this, do what I'm doing. Figure out your own technique. You can use a toothbrush, a scrub brush. You can use no brush. You can use strictly hydrogen peroxide. If it doesn't take it all out, go back the next day, do it again, until it removes it. As I said, the household ammonia, if you don't want to be around chemicals, or if you can't, you don't want to use it, that's fine. You don't like the smell, that's fine. Hydrogen peroxide should be able to remove this. The advantage of the ammonia is it activates the hydrogen peroxide and makes it work a little better. So my hands are kind of like dirty a little bit, not from the POOFUS, but from the cleaner. You might want to wear gloves. These are caustic chemicals, I agree. So I started the video. I know my videos are long, but you're going to leave me a couple $1,000s in donations. PayPal link, super chat. You know what to do. There we go, people. You could say, I still see the poo stain. Do I? Let me close my eyes. I know it's right over here. I really don't. It's a 30-year-old carpet, 35-year-old carpet. It's filthy as can be. I think this did a remarkable job. Most of the the pioche, the urine, the wee-wee, the pee-pee, most of it is gone. The potty, the urination, the urine. This is just damp and moist and wet, ladies. You know what that's about. It's moist and it will dry over time. Let the air get to it. There you go. So I just cleaned up 3 POOFUS stains by using hydrogen peroxide 6%, Salon Care 20 volume, if you want to buy it from the hair supply place. And this is a spray bottle of ammonia. Be very careful with this stuff. It will do burning damage to your fingers like that. About 10% full ammonia, clear, not colored, not scented. And 10% in the bottle, maybe just a little bit in the bottle, and then fill the rest of it up with water. All it does is it helps activate this to help you remove the POOFUS. And that's the goal of the video. It's that. Right over there where it's wet, and where the carpet's a little bit more clean, compared to what it looked like before, which is absolutely filthy. Urine stains, there was a POOFUS stain somewhere around here, kind of gone. You can see how the carpet's all screwed up now from all the damage from the dog. And there was a poo stain somewhere around here. Alright, I hope this helped you. And don't forget, remember to wear gloves. You can see, I kind of removed most of it, but you can see what the ammonia did with skin burn.